don't talk my mind, oh. For anyone we feel relate, oh. Breathing my cooler, yo. Sometimes it feels like success is a trap, and sometimes it feels like people don't understand. Cause the pressure plenty, and the expectations high. Even your day ones we supposed to get your back, sometimes they ones they fight. And everybody has an opinion on how you supposed to live your life. And even people we're supposed to show you the way, now the people they backbite. No be pride, no be ego. Sometimes I gotta change my mind, sometimes I gotta stay behind, sometimes I would have to say no. Sometimes I gotta forward down top my head, may this pressure no go drive me insane, no. So if you see me outside and I no greet you, no vex, papa, my head is full, oh. And mama, you know the level. Now this house is like this, oh. Now this house is like this, oh. Also can be so overwhelming sometimes. No, I just enjoy my own. I got so many things that the reason no bother me, oh. Money ru pala pala, o Congolele. Ikilo setani ko serio. Cause family go call, enemy go call, I don't know who is who. No be pride, no be ego. Sometimes I gotta stay away when I have nothing to say. Sometimes I will have to say no. Sometimes I got some water on top my head, but this pressure don't go drive me insane, no. So if you see me for sure and I don't greet you, no vex, papa, my head is full, oh. And mama, you know the level. Life is also like this. Now this also like this. Of course, them say they need bumpers. Yeah, cause I put myself first. Whoa, they say they need bumpers. Yeah, it's all love, brother, yeah, it's all love. Whoa, it's all love, my brother, it's all love. And I'm good with it.